How to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home or lock screen. WhatsApp not showing new notification on notification bar or no pop-up notification on screen. In this video, I will show you the easy way to fix WhatsApp notification problem. So let us to start. First of all, you should open your setting on your phone, and after that just scroll down, find out the notification center and tap on this. When you find this, now just scroll down, tap on this notification management, and there you should find WhatsApp. First you should check if your WhatsApp business notification is on, so it's okay. And after that you want to check another notification also, then tap on the WhatsApp business. There you go, you will check all the notification. You can check all the notification that all the notification is on. So now, like group notification, message notification, all these notification are on. So this is how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on homes or lock screens. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us. Thanks.